Hi, thanks for watching Peter's Food Adventures, and today I'm making solyanka. It's one of my favorite Russian soups. It's made with sausages, smoked sausages. It's like a smoked sausage soup, but there's olives in it. It's weird and delicious. You're gonna love it. Let's get started. Okay, so now we're gonna start with the meat. So this, I like using these little ones. This is like a hunter sausage. This could be called sausage sticks. It gives some texture that's different. This here has lots of names. This is called domova. I've seen it called Mennonite sausage. Kolbasa is what we would call it in Russian. And this here is speck or smoked bacon. And that is just salami plain. So you really want to have at least 2 of your 4 meats smoked. So it could be smoked chicken breast. You could make it however you want, but this is gonna be delicious. This is some of the other crazy ingredients. So that's pickle juice. You'll need that with pickles, obviously. Black olives, sliced, ready to go. Lemon, and obviously dill. Everything always has dill in it. Okay, so it starts with, these are beef short ribs. You want them nice and meaty, but you still want some bones in the soup broth. Now that it's seared, I'm just gonna throw in some carrots and onions. Let that sear for about 2 minutes. Now, some bay leaves, some garlic, 5 liters of water. Now we just bring it to a boil. The simmer will reduce down to 4 liters, which is what you actually need for the soup. You just want to shred while it's warm is easiest. That's what the beef looks like. Okay, so next is pickles. So these pickles are baby pickles, baby dills. If you have the medium pickles, you probably need half the amount. So I've got about 8, and you've got 4 of the medium. You're just slicing them. They're small. I'm gonna slice them in half, and half again. Just small pieces that'll easily fit on your spoon. So now it's time to cut all the meat. You're gonna just slice them into cubes or strips. This is speck. I gotta take off all the rind. Okay, so now this is just the kolbasa. I'm just cutting it up into manageable sizes. You really want it to be bite-sized, so that means it fits on the spoon. Super easy. And again, into the skillet or frying pan it goes. Same thing. In the skillet it goes. And finally, this is just salami. It could be summer sausage, Hungarian. It's mild. Now, slicing the salami, I want to slice it into strips. And now when you slice it into strips, it just makes it more visually appealing. You've got the cubed, you'll have the strips, and you also have the round. So it adds some variety to your soup. Just crisped up a little bit. That's great. Now we're just gonna set this aside. All right, so this half a cup of pickle juice. And this is all the fried meat. And the shredded beef from the soup. Yum, yum. Right, and I didn't strain the broth this time, but I'm gonna do it right in the pot. It's not a big deal, there's just a few onion pieces. No one's gonna get hurt from eating extra onions. Now we need to bring this to a boil and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. Now I'm gonna add in black olives and the juice of half a lemon. If you taste it, you can adjust more if you need. Remember, you've got the tang already from the pickle juice, so this just adds some brightness and some balance.